Oh shit, what a kick, what a kick, what a motherfucking kick. Mousasi, oh my motherfucking god, Mousasi. What a mother loving kick. That motherfucking kick, that motherfucker looked like Shawn Michaels. I can't even describe that shit. Oh, that was a brilliant motherfucking kick. A huge kick landed on Belfort. But let me break down the fight. Belfort came out in the first motherfucking round. He came out charging. He rushed Mousasi. I thought he was gonna stop the motherfucker in the first round. But in the second round, the first round was pretty much even. Both guys were landing strikes. But that second round, Mousasi landed one of the greatest. That might be the greatest mother-loving kick I've ever seen in my goddamn life. He landed a motherfucking spinning karate kick, bang, to the motherfucking face, dropped him, and he went and he started throwing about like 40, 50 punch combinations. Motherfucker looked like Manny Pacquiao. He hit his ass with like 70 shots. He dropped him down. The ref came in and stopped it. But the kick, that motherfucking kick set up the whole stoppage. You guys got to see that shit. I can't even describe this motherfucking kick, man. I don't know what to call it. I don't know if you call this shit sweet chin music or Shawn Michaels kick. That was a motherfucking kick for the ages. They gonna be talking about that motherfucking kick forever, man. Forever, forever, ever. That shit was brilliant. Congrats to Mousasi. What a fight. That was a great ass fight, man. Second round stoppage, brutal kick to the head. Wow, boy. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed by that kick. And it was a really good fight. So UFC 204. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. Congrats to Mousasi. A phenomenal win. And I'm out.